Welcome back. A discarded mooring buoy washed ashore on Agonda beach has raised concern among the locals on the beach. The buoy was found floating on Wednesday. Marine police are alerted about it. Here is a report by Babesh Borkar.
आज आम्ही आसात आगोंदेच्या दर्यावेळेर आमी पळयता हे फ्लोटिंग बॉय हे येवन खंयच्यान तरी पडिल्लें आसा. स्थानीक लोकांच्या म्हायती प्रमाणे लोक म्हणटात की हे फ्लोटिंग बॉय जे आसा हे बार्जींग आनी व्हडले बोटींक सिग्नल दिवपा खातीर उपयोगी पडटा. आतां हे खंयच्यान तरी व्हांवून येयल्लें आसा. काणकोणा बार्जी ना मोठी बोटी ना त्या खंयच्यान तरी व्हांवून येयल्लें आसा आनी आगोंदेचो समुद्र किनार हांगा पर्यटक खूब प्रमाणांत येता तांकां मोठ्या प्रमाणांत अडथळो जाता. काल म्हणल्यार बुधवारा सकाळ फुडें हे हांवें पडिल्लें पूण अजून कोणें हेजी काडपाची वासपूस करूना. पोस्टल गाडी अजून हांगा ना. पंचायतीन कांय हे घेवन हालचाली करूना काडपाच्यो. पर्यटकांक हांगा खूब प्रमाणांत अडथळो जाता आनी हे गोंय जर परत जरी व्हांवून गेलें जाल्यार रॉंग सिग्नल वचपाक शकता. ज्यो बोटी वयता तांकां आनी हानी जावपाक शकता बोटीची. त्या खातीर बेगोबेग एक काडचें अशें स्थानीक लोकांची मागणी आसा.
A reporter from Agonda, Babesh Borkar. And now news from sports. Former world champion and two-time Asian champion Praprut defeated India's Rupesh Shah in a match that lasted all of 7 frames. The Thailand quest was staring at defeat but staged a dramatic comeback in the 6th frame and came from 60 points and a frame behind to win the match. The icing on the cake was when Praprut's 100-point break won it for him in the final frame of the Asian Championship on at Miramar. Rupesh Shah was cruising past the 3-time Asian gold medalist in his group stage encounter. Praprut was just not finding his touch and made several errors. Rupesh was spotting with ease though. But just when it looked like Thailand's Praprut was down and out, he came from a frame and 60 points behind. He levelled the score, making it 3 frames each, and then had a perfect 100-point break to win a thrilling Asian Championship encounter. Here are a few highlights. Rupesh admitted he did not kill off his opponent when he had the chance. Somewhere down the line you feel you could have won this?
Yeah, मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा इसमें when I was leading 3-2 in the 6th frame I was leading by 60 points and he was on 0. That time one shot came that was little bit difficult shot and that shot I should play basically थोड़ा defensive मेरे को खेलने का था वो time and I tried and he finished the frame.
So a few regrets in that front then आप जीत सकते थे match quite easily क्योंकि आप leading थे.
Actually 100 point के game में क्या होता है कि एक chance मिलता है. Actually capable player है. Praprut is a world champion also a capable player. That time मेरे ख्याल से मेरे को थोड़ा safe खेलने का था.
और आपके chances ये tournament आपको अभी क्या लग रहे हैं?
I am playing well. अभी let's see अभी next for let's hope for the best.
You came in the 6th set and you made quite a good comeback. What do you feel about this match?
Maybe game today Rupesh are very good, yeah, good play. But lucky, yeah. Frame T2, yeah, lucky, yeah. But 3T, 50-50, lose and win. Yeah.
And the last set you had a fantastic break, all 100 points. How did you strategize for that? Because before that you weren't getting your breaks right. After that point, when the last final set came, you had a 100-point break. How would you describe that feel?
100 point, very hard shot, yeah. Very exciting. Yeah, he very good player. Yeah, I final frame lucky.
And your chances now in this Asian tournament, you feel you can win it? You've been a two-time champion. You feel you can win it again this time?
No, I semi-final. I okay. Yeah, I think.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prasad Harmalkar from Miramar.
Dempo Cricket Club and NRB GSA Stars took lead in their third round matches in the ongoing GPL 3 Days tournament. Dempo took a lead of 11 runs over Salgaonkar Sports Club, while NRB GSA are leading GCA Academy Stars by 53 runs at the end of second day's play.
In reply to Dempo's first innings total of 256 runs, Salgaonkar had ended day 1 on 12 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. The 2020 champions failed to put up solid partnerships and were bowled out for 245 runs in 89.5 overs. All-rounder Saurabh Bandekar was the top scorer with 68 runs, which included 10 boundaries. Captain Sagun Kamath with 41 runs and Saurabh Amre with 40 were the other main run getters. Sherman Vaz remained not out on 36 runs as Salgaonkar folded up for 245 runs, conceding 11 runs lead to Dempo. Dempo captain Robin D'Souza got a fifer, giving away 80 runs in his 27 overs. Indrasekhar Reddy picked up 3 wickets while Buddhadev Mangaldas claimed 2 wickets. Meanwhile, at Bitspilani ground, NRB GSA Stars bowled out GCA Academy Stars for 222 runs. In reply, GSA were 275 for 7 at the end of second day's play. Swapnila Snorkar and Aniket Desai stroked half centuries to power their side to the all-important lead over the GCA side. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Shamsundar Fatte from Porvorim.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our news bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.